Welcome to the Enlightened Entrepreneur, where each week we provide you with free and low-cost tools, resources, and information to help businesses grow without breaking the bank. I'm your host, Harry Maurer. In my book, On Your Own But Not Alone, 50 Free and Low-Cost Resources for Entrepreneurs and Small Businesses, I dedicated an entire chapter to the benefits of Google applications, many of which are better than commercially purchased programs, and many of which can easily replace expensive programs you may be paying monthly for. Their free voicemail service, for example, is awesome, and it can completely replace a business landline. Their Google Calendar is now an international business standard. And did you realize that you can type by using just your voice with one of the highest quality voice recognition softwares out there just by using Google Docs instead of using a paid program like Dragon Naturally Speaking? And all of these applications are free. They don't cost a cent. But still, I understand the feeling that consumers have thinking that a paid program must be better than one that's free. But trust me, that is not always the case, especially when it's provided by a $1.7 trillion behemoth like Google. All of this is to say that it's worth your while to explore some of the Google applications that may help your business. One Google service I use is called Google Alerts, and it does just what the name implies. It alerts you to any activity on the web that you want to keep track of. You can funnel your results down by region, by language, and can be alerted to all results or only what would be considered the best results. The web page is easy enough to remember. It's www.google.com/alerts. Naturally, you have to have a free Google account to use it, but the alert page is simple to use, and the process is really straightforward. Just type in the name of what you want to follow, select any additional options you want to keep track of, and when an article, blog, or news feed shows up on the web, you'll get an email alerting you to the news with a link to the content. This is perfect for anything you want to keep track of: products in your industry, companies that you want to follow, your local or national competitors, a topic or social trends, pretty much anything you can think of. You just enter the name or phrase and Google will keep a lookout for you. If at any time you want to stop following one of your alerts, just click on the garbage can icon next to the alert and it's gone. I'll have a link to Google Alerts in the show notes on our website, The Enlightened Entrepreneur. Just go to www.enlightened-e.com and click on episode 142. Be informed, follow current trends, catch articles about your business that you need to stay informed of, follow your industry, and follow your competition by using a simple, free tool like Google Alerts. Want to market your business using webinars? Webinar programs are expensive. GoToWebinar starts at $109 a month. WebinarJam and EverWebinar cost $499 a year. That's a lot of money, especially if you're just beginning to experiment with webinars and may only be presenting a few a year. But if you want to dip your toes into webinars without a major investment, using a program that's extremely reliable and easy to use, then visit us on this episode for a sample and a walkthrough of the program that I recommend and use for pre-recorded webinars. And believe it or not, it costs less than $20. Check the episode notes for details. Well, that's it for this week. My name is Harry Maurer. Tune in next week for more free and low-cost resources for your business.